Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, we will share how you can transform your back pattern piece, the center of your back pattern piece, to fit any clasp. We will start with the bikini pattern top Mónica, which has a 4 cm high pattern design for a 4 cm clasp, and we will show you how to transform the pattern to fit a 2.5 cm clasp that we had. So stay with us and let's start. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to adjust your center back for a different side clasp. So the pattern was designed for a 4 cm high clasp, and to know the measurement, you just measure inside here and you see how much your clasp has. So today I'm gonna show you how to adjust this one to this clasp here, but I could also do the adjustment for this one. Maybe I'm gonna do for the smaller one because it's a huge change and so it's better. So if I divide my height of my pattern in two, I'm ignoring the seam allowances, and I do a perpendicular line here. I have my middle. And now my clasp, I'm gonna measure it, and it's 2.5 centimeters. So 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. So I'm gonna do 1.25 here and 1.25 here. And this will be the new edge of my pattern. Of course, when we change this, if I overlap the patterns, not the seam, not like so, but if I overlap the patterns, I know that I have to adjust the entire curve just because of this, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a little bit of a straight line here, and then I'm gonna start the curve, and the same on the lower part here. So as you have noticed, I didn't want to lower the height of my side seam, so I did the shapes in a way that I would end up on the same spot for my pattern as I had on the top edge of my side seam. And I'm going to repeat the process for the lower part here because I also don't want to do any change here. However, of course, when we do this, we have to make sure that this line is not creating a sticky point in the connection between the back and the front piece. This must be a smooth connection. So I will do exactly the same on the lower parts of our top. Now the only thing missing is the seam allowance. Design here, draw the new line for your seam allowance and cut. And that's it. Now we would move on to cut our fabrics, which I did for my bikini pattern top Mónica. But now you know how to adjust your back pattern piece to any clasp. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you soon. Bye girls!